Hi, welcome to my video of the Sandals Royal Barbados Resort. This video was filmed during our stay here in September 2022. This is us arriving at the Sandals Royal Barbados check-in area. As you're probably aware, the resort is actually two resorts built into one, and whether you stay at the Sandals Barbados or the Royal Barbados, you get access to both resorts. This is a view from the other side of the main reception area, leading out into the gardens, and over there to the right they are the butler suites. Heading away from the butler suites back towards the main reception area, over behind all these trees is where there is a pool, the jerk shack and the main stage area. Do a quick tour here. These are some of the swim up rooms. This is the first pool you come to after leaving the main reception area. There's the jerk shack to the left. We've then got table tennis in this area to the left, and behind that is the Lovers Lane. We've got a swim up bar there. This pool does get very crowded and you will need to probably be up at about 6 in the morning to reserve your sunbeds ahead of the butlers. This is a closer view of the Lovers Lane bowling alley. We're heading into the central stage area. Now we're actually in that pool with the swim up bar. Coming to view, my wife. Here we are at the central stage area. There's the Lovers Lane bowling alley. Here we've got seating around the fire pit. This is to the back of the main stage area. We've got the beach house and then up to Red Lane, and where those two canopies are, that's Sweet and Salties. And there's the Butler Elite Lounge, Colombian Emeralds and the photo shop. This is the back of Red Lane Spa, and this leads into this area, which that's the new block, and there's the greenhouse and Heart and Soul restaurants, as well as the bar. In front of this pool area is the original Sandals Barbados Resort. Here we have the swim up rooms for this section of the hotel. Behind those trees in the distance is the central atrium area for the Sandals Barbados. We're at the back of the Café de Paris, which is where you go for your cakes and coffees in the afternoon. To the left of Café de Paris, this is the oyster bar, and that's the central reception on the other side of that. And then dead ahead we have the Merry Monkey pub, and to the right of that we have an area with Butch's Chop House, Bombay, Soy and Kimono restaurants. Just off to the left of that area, there's staging, private function going on there, and that's the back of the infinity pool, and the sea is beyond there. side of where the board and chess set are. These are some more swim up rooms. This is onto the main infinity pool. Raised decking up there. It's about 7:20 in the morning, and as you can see, there's a fair few towels out already. There's only one sunbed that's available with a parasol. These are also free to use. You don't have to have these reserved unless your butler gets it. And there's Neptune's restaurant. And this is the infinity pool part, which just leads out onto the beach. This is heading into the Sandals Barbados part. There's Domino's Pizza. And we've got another swim up bar here. And there's Schooner's restaurant over there. Back of Schooners, and then this just leads into Spices. And from here we've got Cafe de Paris, and that's the central check-in of Barbados behind there. It's a bit of a windy day today. We're on the roof of where our room is located. We've got a sky bar over there, and then that's a Parisienne French restaurant, which is fantastic. And here's a quick tour of room 7101, which is the swim up room with Tranquility Soaking Tub. is the entrance, obviously, to the boatyard. This is Bay. And out there is the boatyard.